thank you for watching my channel, Flourish by Flora. And in today's video is unboxing. I'm I am unboxing these
Blu-rays.
Blu-rays, DVDs,
Blu-rays.
Blu-ray. Okay, guys, let's start unboxing.
Opening.
How do you
Just
take
lift
this?
the edge. Yeah.
This. Oh, so it's like that. It's Aladdin. Wow. So this is Blu-ray, darling.
Yes.
Wow. That's nice. It's quite smaller than the DVDs.
Yeah. The box is a bit
Yes.
small.
Whoa. I got a lot of unboxing, guys. So bear with me.
Open.
We will open all of them. Okay. So that is number 1. This is number 2. I'll try to make it as quick as I can to unbox so you won't be bored. And this is Ratatouille. Yeah, hello. So that is number 2. Number 3 is oh dear.
Dear me.
Toink. Okay. Look at that! It's Robin Hood. Oh, these are children's DVDs. Children's
Disney.
these are children's Disney.
Yeah.
Yes.
Disney.
That
Blu-rays.
is nice. These films never go out of time,
Fashion.
out of fashion. And this is
So
Bambi.
classic.
Yeah, this is my favorite, Bambi, because she's smart and she's cute. Yes, and 1, 2, 3, 4. This is number 5. Thank you, darling, for giving me all these Blu-rays.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. You are so generous. And what is this for? Is it for Christmas?
Yes.
Or for just something to surprise me? You are full of surprises, darling. And thank you so much. Wow, The Call of the Wild. I don't know this film.
Yeah, that's the latest version. It's been filmed before. This is with Harrison Ford.
Oh. So this is the
Charlton
latest
Heston
one.
was in an earlier version as well.
Oh, wow. That's
Disney
nice.
film again.
So,
Live
who
action.
is Harrison?
Yeah, Harrison Ford.
Harrison Ford. Yes, another one. Oh, wow. So this will keeps me entertained, keeps me occupied. Both of us. Of course, I will not watch all this all by myself. We have to watch it together.
Yes.
Yes! This is the nice one. I like this
is
one.
the latest.
Oh, so this is
sort
the
of
latest one.
live action.
Oh, right.
Computerized rather than cartoon.
Wow, this is amazing. Yes! More to unbox. Yes, I love unboxing now. I'm getting used to unboxing. That's why you're giving me more, darling, to unbox. And this is Hercules. Wow, strong man. Cute. Wow. My superhero. Okay, and this one is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is number 8. 9, 10, 11. Wow, this is a lot, darling. Thank you. I love it. I'm now thinking, what will I unbox next time? Yes, Atlantis, the Lost Empire. I think I haven't seen this yet.
I haven't either.
Oh, so I think we will watch this later, tomorrow.
Whenever you have
Yes!
time.
If I have time. I always have time anyway. And this one, I'm so excited. Oh, this is 2-in-1 envelope. Yes. Oh, so this is Maleficent. Is this the new one?
Yeah, part 2.
Part 2. I've seen the first one.
Yeah, we got the first one as well.
Yeah, and I like that. Oh, I'm so excited to see this. I can't wait to see this. Scary movie. Is this really scary?
Part 5 is comedy.
Oh, comedy. It's not really scary.
No.
It's just the title. Scary.
Yeah.
Wow. Nice. So these are all Blu-rays. That's why they are colored blue. Okay, so this one is The Beauty and the Beast.
That's the
Oh, this is the new one.
the live version.
Oh, I like this. I've seen the first one.
I still haven't watched that one.
I
We
haven't.
got
It's
that
it's
as well.
nice. I think when I watch this, it makes me cry because it's so emotional and it's so nice. I like it when the film is emotional. Okay, this is the last one. Let's open it, guys. Yes, it's Frozen.
Two.
Oh my gosh, this is Frozen too. Oh, we've seen the first one, so
Yeah.
oh, I haven't seen this yet. Thank you so much, darling. Oh wow, I don't need to go to the cinema to see this.
No.
We have to see it at home.
Yes.
Yeah, it's amazing. Thank you, darling.
Amazing Grace.
So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, it's 12. So this is lucky number because today is the 12th. Today is the 12th.
Yes.
And this is 12. And then my favorite number is 12. Oh my Lord, they are all combined in one go. So this is my lucky day. Thank you so much, guys, for watching for another nice unboxing. So watch out, guys, for my next unboxing. I wonder what it is. We have to unbox it all together. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're not a subscriber yet, please do subscribe and click that notification bell. Please click that bell button as well so you will be notified for all new videos. Thank you. Love you guys. Ta-ra!
Love, love, love.
Love, love, love. God bless. Thank you. Hello guys. There's another one more. PS. Okay. There's another one more. So this becomes the number. Is it number 13?
Number 12 in the Disney. One wasn't Disney.
Oh, number 12 and the Disney. Alright, okay, let's see what is this, guys. I'm so excited. I got lots of Blu-rays now to watch. I hope you can watch it with me, guys. With us. Not only me, with us. Ta-ra! It's... What's this?
Mary Poppins Returns.
Mary Poppins Returns. I didn't wear my glasses, so I can and I cannot read it too close. I have to read it too far. Wow, Mary Poppins Returns. So is this the not animation?
No, that's live.
Oh, so it's live. Wow. Ooh, so like that. I like this film.
You sure? I haven't seen it yet.
Mary Poppins. Oh no, I like the
Original.
I like the original. Hello, babe. Oh, you like it?
You want to watch, baby?
Watch the Aristocats.
Yes.
Thank you guys for watching. Thank you
Love,
guys
love,
for
love.
watching. Love, love, love. Love and happiness to everyone. Thank you. I love you.